Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a popping blurred effect in CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is add your clips and then start from the second clip, go to the video effect, opening and closing, and select the diamond zoom effect. Make it short like this, then add another effect at the halo blur, still on the opening and closing, this one, and make it short like the first effect, like this. And now click on the clip, go to animation, click on combo, and select the popping candy animations. Okay, now you can just repeat the steps for every clips. Like this, just copy the effect for the rest of the clips. Don't forget the animation. Okay, the last one, and when you're done, this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.